Took a look down a westbound road, right away I made my choice. Headed out to my big two-wheeler, I was tired of my own voice. Took a beat on the northern plains and just rolled that power on. City, stopped in a bar to have a brew. Met a girl, we had a few drinks, and I told her what I decided to do. She looked out the window a long, long moment, then she looked into my eyes. She didn't have to say a thing. I knew what she was thinking. Just walked out and got on that bike. And we rolled. And we rolled clean out of sight. Clean out of sight. We rolled across the high plains. Finally feeling free. Somewhere along the high road, the air began to turn cold. She said she missed her home. I had it all stood alone on a mountaintop, staring out at the Great Divide. I could go east, I could go west, it was all up to me to decide. Just then I saw a young hawk flying and my soul began to rise. Pretty soon